अस्सलामुअलैकुम मिस। कैन यू hear me?
मिस आवाज नहीं आ रही।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। बेटा आपको आवाज़ आएगी, अभी तो मैंने क्लास स्टार्ट की है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हाउ
वालेकुम
आर यू?
सलाम।
अस्सलाम मिस।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
How
आवाज़
are
आ
you?
आई एम फाइन। माय वॉइस इज क्लियर?
Yes miss.
ओके।
यस मिस।
ओके बेटा, टर्न ऑन योर कैमरास। हाउ आर यू ऑल? जी बेटा। So, first of all, we will discuss about our previous mock. Is it clear? So, how was your previous mock one? कैसा रहा? आप सब बताइए। अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आई थी, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आपको फेस करना पड़ी हो, कोई भी चीज़ मुश्किल लगी हो या कोई बात समझ में नहीं आ रही, देन यू कैन आस्क मी। ओके शहरोज, वेरी गुड।
बहुत इजी था।
इजी था? ओके।
Yes miss.
ओके, सो इट वाज इजी, बट व्हाट अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंस? जैसे शहरोज ने कहा कि एक्सीलेंट एक्सपीरियंस, तो कितना अच्छा हुआ? रमला एंड अदर स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज टेल मी एनीथिंग which you in which you are confused or you were confused. कोई ऐसी चीज़ जिसमें आप कंफ्यूज हों कि फॉर्म्स कैसे आ रहे हैं, कैसे अपलोड हो रहे हैं?
Okay miss.
मिस
जी, वन बाय वन बेटा। जी।
हाँ मिस। यस मिस, मैं ये कह रहा था कि मिस मैं जो आखिरी क्लास हुई थी ना सेवन्थ की, मिस मैं वो मिस मैंने छोड़ दी थी कि मॉक का पहला फॉर्म आ चुका था अपलोड सिंधी का। उस वक्त आ रहा था वो form।
लास्ट
इसलिए मैंने वो
क्लास?
क्लास छोड़ दी थी।
अच्छा, यू वर नॉट इन द प्रीवियस क्लास?
इंग्लिश में था लेकिन मिस जो है आखिरी 10 मिनट 10-15 मिनट में मिस वो मॉक का पहला फॉर्म अपलोड हो चुका था सिंधी में। तो जिस दिन आपकी क्लास थी उस दिन
ओके।
उसका मैंने छोड़ दिया था।
हाँ,
मैंने आपको बताया भी था।
जी जी, इट्स ओके बेटा, नो प्रॉब्लम।
बस मैंने सारी डेट्स मार्क कर ली सबकी जो थी ना, बस मैंने
ठीक है।
स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया मिस मैंने उसका,
मैंने
आपने
भी
बोला
कर
था
दी।
वीडियो में।
ओके,
मैंने भी कर दी।
वेरी गुड बेटा।
आपका रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर सुना था मिस।
अच्छा।
मिस अगले मॉक में वो सब कैपिटल लेटर्स में आंसर लिखना है।
हाँ, yes, very good question बेटा। I'm going to tell you some important things कि now when I will upload the mock 2, then I will add on the three forms. First form as usual will be about MCQ, second form will be about true false, but the third form will be of short questions. Is it clear? One word answer. Actually, these are one word answers, no short questions, one word answers. Is it clear? So you have to write down the correct answer in one word. And I will also give you the is clear instructions at the top of the third form. Is it clear? So, and I have also given you the specific time, 7 to 8 minutes, I think, to attempt the third form, because you have to read the instructions very carefully, first of all. Don't ignore the instructions and don't try to attempt the form within 1 or 2 minutes, please. सीएनए की तो पता है, ये कहानी नहीं होगी। Is it clear? Okay, beta, mock form will be of I will upload the okay आपने क्या पूछा है miss how much marks total in the annual final term paper okay there will be 75 marks beta there will be 75 marks okay beta Saad check your device beta is it clear? So listen carefully, all of you, beta. There will be 75 marks. It means your final term paper will be having 20 will be having 75 marks. Is it clear? 75 marks ka hoga, and four forms will be there. First form will be of MCQs. Second form, I think 20 MCQs will be there, and I have given you the 30 or 35 minutes. So first of all, read the instructions very carefully, and then the second form will be I'm going to tell you the about the final paper. Is it clear? No बेटा सानिया ये कोई choice वाली कौन सी बात है? This is not your physical paper. In physical papers you have given the choices and options. Here in the final term exam, these are online exams. You have not any type of choice. These are all about the objective type things. You have just click the right answers, and as I told you that first form which is having I think 25 marks, and this form is about 25 marks. अगर तो ये 25 marks का होगा तो obviously 25 marks will be there, and then I have given you specific time of almost 30 minutes. Is it clear? Because this will be the first form, and you have to read the instructions which are given at the first form very carefully. All the instructions will be there, like the specific time, duration, and everything, when the time will be uploaded, and all the forms will be uploaded at 8:30. Is it clear? 8:30, and your SST paper will be I think 7 June, on 7 June. Is it clear? Yes, Mohammed Ali.
मिस मैं पूछ रहा था कि जैसे ट्रू फॉल्स या नेम द पर्सनैलिटीज आएंगे वो भी कैपिटल में लिखना है?
बेटा ट्रू फॉल्स नो, ट्रू फॉल्स में आपने कुछ लिखना थोड़ी होता है.
नहीं मतलब ट्रू या फॉल्स.
तू क्लिक करना
अच्छा
है ना, ट्रू और फॉल्स को तो क्लिक करना है,
ऑप्शन देंगे.
ठीक है ना. यू हैव टू राइट जस्ट इन द वन वर्ड आंसर, ठीक है.
और
वन
मिस जैसे कि
और
मिस जैसे कि अगर
बोलिए सानिया.
मिस जैसे कि हमारे पास आता है कि पमीनट हमने लिखना है, तो मिस पमीनट पूरे सारे वर्ड्स कैपिटल होंगे उसके.
यस यस यस
और मिस अगर किसी की पर्सनैलिटी हुई वो भी कैपिटल होगी सारे वर्ड्स.
बिल्कुल. जैसे कायदे आजम है, लियाकत अली खान है, तो लियाकत
तो
अली खान विल बी वन वर्ड, विल बी कंसिडर्ड वन वर्ड. इज इट क्लियर? ये वन वर्ड है.
यस मिस.
ओके.
तो मिस इसके सारे वर्ड्स कैपिटल होंगे.
बिल्कुल सारे वर्ड कैपिटल होंगे, और ऊपर मैंने
ओके
आपको
मिस.
options भी दी होंगी. आई हैव गिवन यू द ऑप्शन, like I think I have given you the option that you have to write down all the answers in one word and in upper case. Upper case means capital letters, और मैंने आगे आपको ऑप्शन भी दिया. जैसे हम पाकिस्तान लिखते हैं तो मैंने लिखा होगा पूरा कैपिटल लेटर्स में ही पाकिस्तान. समझ में आ गया? बताइए. अभी हम एक एग्जाम्पल इसमें चैट बॉक्स
यस
में
मिस.
देख भी लेते हैं, ठीक है. और रिदा बोलिए. यस रिदा, व्हाट आर यू सेइंग बेटा? Anyone else? Yes, Muhammad Ali. Another question? Muhammad Ali.
नो मैं
Okay.
नो.
Beta, just Sheroz is going to open his camera. आपके कैमरास क्यों ऑन नहीं है बेटा? कैमरास ऑन कीजिए. Turn on your cameras बेटा. and there are so many things which I want to tell you. So beta, listen carefully. Mashallah, so many students are here in the class, and please be attentive, because I want to tell you something, and I will inshallah explain you in the next class also. तो आपके कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, आप क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं, अदरवाइज कोई क्वेश्चन जहन में बाहर में आता है, you can ask me in the next class, which will be tomorrow. So Rida, okay Rida, yes Nusaiba, same like this. If you are going to write the one word answer and the answer will be Pakistan or anything, you can write down in this shape. Is it clear? In capital letters. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, first of all, I want to tell you that today we are going to upload a list on Google Classroom, and this list is having your assignment and winter vacations homework marks, and then CT3, CT4, MT3, and MT4. Is it clear? So we will today upload the list of all the mass or CTs, MTs, and home assignment, and plus your winter homework mass. Is it clear? Any question, beta? Okay. Okay. And besides this, uh, when your paper will be uploaded before that day, before 1 or 2 day before, I will also upload a breakup in which I will tell you how many forms will be there, and how many marks having each form, and also I will tell you in that breakup almost, and I will also tell you in this about the specific time of each and every form, and everything. Is it clear? I don't know, beta Ramla. Please be attentive, I am going to tell you very important things. I don't know about this. You can call in at reception and get the information. Is it clear? Okay. इज इट क्लियर? सो आपने सबने मेरी बात गौर से सुन ली. आई टोल्ड यू दैट टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू अपलोड a list of your CTs, MTs, and assignments, and a day before your paper, I will upload the in all the information about your annual paper, final term paper of SST, like information like how many forms will be there, how many time will be given you in each and every form, and how many marks will be there of each form. Is it clear? सो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको एक दिन पहले गूगल क्लासरूम पे अपलोड कर दी जाएगी. सो एट द टाइम ऑफ अटेम्प्टिंग योर पेपर, बी फोकस टूवर्ड्स योर पेपर. Don't waste your time on asking these type of questions like miss के पेपर कब अपलोड होगा, नेक्स्ट फॉर्म कब होगा. बेटा we are responsible for this uploading the paper, and we will already give you all the informations about the all the informations about your form uploading time and restrict and how many forms will be there. All the information will be there on your Google Classroom a day before. So read these informations carefully, read these things carefully, and at the time of attempting your paper, just be focused towards your paper. Is it clear? Be focused towards your paper. Read the instructions first of all very carefully, and then attempt the paper. And you have to manage two things. and these are very important. First of all, you have to manage your time. Is it clear? You have to manage your time. We have given all the instructions about the specific time of a specific form. For example, if I am uploading the first form, then I'm going to give you the almost
Why not?
who is this beta? Behave. Zuhair बेटा, behave yourself, otherwise अगर अब आपका माइक ऑन हुआ तो मैं आपको क्लास से रिमूव कर दूंगी.
मिस मैं नहीं था।
मोहम्मद अरीब, जुहेब और मोहम्मद अरीब, टर्न ऑफ योर माइक्स.
मिस मैं नहीं था।
ओके, टर्न ऑफ योर माइक. बेटा, आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑल, मोहम्मद अरीब, बी फोकस्ड. I'm telling you very important things. These things are very important for you regarding your exams, and you are not listening and opening and turning on and off your mic, and no one is going to turn on his camera. So this is very important session. Today's session is very important session. If you are not asking any question, you are not taking interest in the class, then after 5 minutes now I'm going to पुट यू इन द वेटिंग रूम. और सबके कैमराज ऑफ हैं और मैं सबको इन्फॉर्म कर रही हूँ. आई विल वेट जस्ट फॉर 5 minutes. ओके, एनीथिंग एल्स बेटा? आपको दोनों चीज़ें समझ में आ गई अबाउट योर फॉर्म, अबाउट योर लिस्ट which will be uploaded today, and about the all the information which will be uploaded one day before your paper. And read these things, especially the information about your paper, read it carefully. Is it clear? So what about your previous mock? अगर previous mock में आपको कोई मसला था या कोई बात पूछनी थी तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. No, beta Sharoz. We have already given the syllabus and uploaded on Google Classroom. The syllabus is same. No midterms chapters are included. Only just the chapters of final terms are included. And if you have any type of confusion regarding the chapter physical features of Pakistan, or physical features and of the world, sorry, and the climate of the world, anything you can ask me now, and in the next class as well. Is it clear? So I'm going to tell you that in the next class, in the next mock 2, I will give you the 3 forms. First form having MCQs, second form having true false, and third form having one word answer. Is it clear? So you have to write down the one word answer in uppercase, and it is very necessary, beta, that you have to read the instructions very carefully, and no punctuations will be accepted. Is it clear? Just write down the answer, and that's it. Is it clear? So write down the answer, no commas, no full stop, and don't start any answer with the word the any question like the Pamir Knot, or the Himalayas. No, just write down Pamir Knot, and और जिस तरह से आपकी बुक में लिखा है. Is it clear? If there is a space, then you have to write you have to put the space in Pamir Knot. इज इट क्लियर? सो बिल्कुल बुक को फोकस कीजिएगा, अपनी बुक के वर्ड्स को फोकस कीजिएगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो I will give you the third form having short questions, one word questions, and you have to give the answer in one word. Okay. Okay, 7th class, any question you can ask me when I'm taking the class 8's lecture. They asked me so many questions about their mock, about their paper, about their final term paper and their subject. All clear? Okay. But this is Cheroz. Anyone else, beta? Iman, all clear, beta? No confusion? Okay. Sanya, Sumaya. Sumaya, you are always in the class, but uh, you मतलब आप बिल्कुल रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करती. Today you are also not giving any type of response. Turn on your camera. Nusaiba, ask any question if you have any question. Nusaiba, beta, Subhana, do you have any question? Wow, well done. Okay. Okay, so okay, Rida, do you have any question? No? Okay. So, beta, in the paper, you have to read very carefully. Um just a minute, beta. Here is some. Okay, beta, just a minute. Screen is clear, beta?
Yes, miss.
Okay. You can see the screen share हो रहा है.
Yes, miss.
Who is this, beta? Who is this? And you have to behave yourself. Okay. Okay, this is the chapter physical features of the world. So look at the slides and open your books as well. And if you have any type of problem, you can ask me, you can tell me, and I want to tell you, suppose you can see on your screen that North America. Is it clear? You can see the North America, the continent of North America. So please underline these lines, most important lines.